Dear student, in this video we will learn to find selling price when cost price and profit or loss percent are given, and find cost price when selling price and profit and loss percent are given. Is it clear? We can also find selling price of an article if cost price is known and vice versa, provided that profit and loss percent is given. Suppose if cost price and profit or loss percent, profit or loss percent are given, then selling price is equal to CP into 100 plus gain percent divided by 100, and SP is equal to CP into 100 minus loss percent by 100. Is it clear? When we have to find selling price, provided that cost price and profit or loss percent are given, then we can use these two formula to find selling price. When profit is given, then we use the formula selling price is equal to cost price into 100 plus gain percent divided by 100, and when loss percent is given, then you can find selling price by using the formula cost price into 100 minus loss percent by 100. Second thing, if selling price and profit or loss percent are given, profit percent or loss percent are given, then cost price is equal to SP into 100 by 100 minus loss percent, 100 minus loss percent, and cost price is equal to SP into 100 by 100 plus gain percent. Is it clear to everyone? When you have to find selling price and when you have to find cost price, selling price and profit or loss percent are given, then we can use the formula to find cost price, selling price into 100 by 100 minus loss percent, and selling price into 100 by 100 plus gain percent. It is clear from two formulas you can find selling price or cost price when profit or loss percent are given. When you have to find selling price, then cost price and profit or loss percent are given. When you have to find cost price, then selling price and profit or loss percent given. Now we will learn worksheet 3 of unit 5. Now worksheet 3 of unit 5. In question number 1, here given that I purchased a watch for rupees 330 and sold it at a loss of 20%. Find the selling price of the watch. Here given that, first you write what is given and what you have to find out. The cost price of watch, CP of watch is equal to rupees 330, और क्या दिया है, लॉस परसेंट इक्वल टू दिया है 20%. You have to find selling price. Here cost price and loss percent are given and you have to find selling price. Then you use formula this, selling price is equal to cost price into 100 minus loss percent by 100. So selling price is equal to, you know that selling price is equal to cost price into 100 minus loss percent divided by 100. Is it clear to everyone? क्या होगा, 330 into 100 minus 20 by 100. It means 330 into 80/100, 0 0 कैंसल, 0 0 कैंसल, मल्टीप्लाई 33 इंटू 8, 33 इंटू 8 क्या हो जाएगा 264. So selling price of watch is rupees 264. Now in question number 2, by selling a television for rupees 8,000, a shopkeeper loses 20% of his cost. If it sell it for rupees 11,000, what profit or loss would be there for him? Here given that a shopkeeper sell a television for rupees 8,000 and lost 20%. You have to find if he sell the television for rupees 11,000, then what profit or loss would be there for him. So here given that the selling price, solution, selling price of television is equal to rupees 8,000, loss percent is equal to 20%. Then फर्स्ट यू हैव टू फाइंड कॉस्ट प्राइस. तो सी ऑफ टेलीविजन क्या होगा, सी ऑफ टेलीविजन होगा SP इंटू 100/100 माइनस लॉस परसेंट. हेयर पुट द सेलिंग प्राइस एंड लॉस परसेंट. हेयर सेलिंग प्राइस इज 8,000 इंटू 100/100 माइनस 20%. So you write 8,000 into 100/80. 80 कैंसिल कितने टाइम्स में होगा, 100 टाइम्स में, सो 10,000. सो कॉस्ट प्राइस ऑफ टेलीविजन इज इक्वल टू रुपीज 10,000. नाउ इफ ही सेल टेलीविजन फॉर रुपीज 11,000, यानी now selling price is 11,000 and you have already find the cost price is 10,000. So here selling price greater than cost price, so we get क्या profit, we get profit, and profit is equal to SP minus CP. Then you get 11,000 minus 10,000, that is 1,000. Is it clear? In question number 3, given that a shopkeeper purchased a television set for rupees 9,000 and sold it a loss of 5%, you have to find the selling price of the TV set. So here solution, given that cost price of TV set is equal to rupees 9,000, loss percent is equal to 5%. You have to find selling price. You have to find selling price. You know that selling price is equal to cost price into 100/100 minus loss percent. There is one mistake here. You have to find selling price. Selling price is equal to cost price into 100 minus loss percent by 100. मैंने गलती से नीचे लिख दिया था. तो here cost price is 9,000, 100 minus loss percent is 5/100. क्या होगा 9,000 into 95/100, 0 0. तो 95 into 9, then you multiply 90 into 95, then you get 8,550. Is it clear? This is the answer. In question number 4, Sita sells a dining set to Nita for rupees 6,000 and gain 20%. For how much she should sell it to increase her profit by another 5%? In question number 4, Sita sell a dining set to Nita for rupees 6,000 and a gain of 20%. For how much should she sell it to increase her profit by another 5%? Here given that selling price of dining set, selling price of dining set, dining set is equal to रुपीज 6000. गेन क्या है? गेन इज इक्वल टू 20%. You have to find, first you have to find cost price. Cost price of dining set. What will be the cost price of dining set? क्या होगा? CP इंटू नहीं क्या होगा? SP इंटू 100 by 100 plus gain percent. So you write here SP is 6000, 100 by 100 plus 20%. It means 6000 into 100 by 120. How many times it will cancel? 5 times, 50 times. So cost price of the dining set rupees 5000. So CP of dining set is rupees 5000. Now in question number 4 also you have to find the selling price. Also find the selling price when profit is more 5%. Now न्यू प्रॉफिट क्या हो जाएगा? न्यू प्रॉफिट परसेंट इक्वल टू 20 प्लस 5%, दैट इज 25%. नाउ न्यू सेलिंग प्राइस इक्वल टू CP इंटू 100 प्लस प्रॉफिट परसेंट बाई 100. So you write CP into 100 plus 25 by 100. Here CP is 5000. Cost price already you have find out. So 5000 into 100 plus 25 by 100. So you write 5000 into 125 by 100. 100 cancel. So 125 into 50. That is so if dining set sale at rupees 6250, then he get profit 5% more. Is it clear?